Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Earl with more Bitcoin, and today I will be setting up my trading bot. This is the first time I'm doing this, so it can go either way. Not sure. Just gonna knock it out though, and get as much done as I possibly can today, and maybe even get to put some settings into the trading bot. We'll see. All right. So the first thing is I will go to East Coast Crypto's blog. I'll put the link to the blog in the description box, and you'll just be able to go there. East Coast Crypto is a blogger, a YouTuber on that's into BitConnect. That's how I got in, became subscribed to his channel. So you just go to his YouTube channel and you'll get some videos also on setting up your Gunbot, but his didn't start from the beginning of where I'm starting from. So yeah, just go here, set up. It's he has a sale on 10% discount. It's 0.09 Bitcoin or 0.27 for a license to all three exchanges that it exchanged on: Poloniex, Bittrex, and Kraken. So I have the Bittrex license, and we'll just get this started. So the first thing you're going to do is extract. You're going to get a what you're going to do is when you send them the 0.9 Bitcoin, and send them an email giving them your details, you're going to have to send them your public API key on Bittrex or whatever exchange you decide on, and then he'll send you back the file and get you all set up. So once he sends you back the file, you just download it, and now we're gonna unzip it. Shouldn't take too long. And then they also, right here, you're going to see they're going to give you two links to how to exactly set up your Gunbot. So this is what we're going to be using. So you got to get this one and this one. So you have two links. So we're going to start here. This is first link. So you see it says go to Gunbot exe, and just start with that. So let's see. We're going to Gunbot exe. So we're going to start, and I always go back to the instructions. So let's see if it says anything. Okay. Let's see. So it doesn't really say anything about that. So we'll just go to the Gunbot, and since it says, do you want to start all trades you were previously running? Since this is the first time, we don't have any trades. If you say yes, the bot will run a pair for each config file in your bot folder. If you want to exclude some pairs, delete config files, and then press yes to this message. So we're going to say no, because we don't want to start, since we were not running any previous files. So we're all set up. So let me get this full screen. Hold on. All right. So we are on Bittrex. So let's go back to the settings, and we're just going to, okay, I stepped away for a minute, but really it didn't take as long as I thought it was going to take. Really at this point, as you can see, I changed my screen. I had to run and do something. But what it is once you get to that point, you just put in your API key that you sent in with your initial email, and then you also put in your secret API key, and there you go. Once you do that, you're good and set up. And then all you have to do is start with your settings. So initially you'll see that you'll have the step gain settings on here, right here and right here. And I went with the Bollinger Band settings. As you can see, I'm set up on Bittrex. Let me get that out of here. I'm set up on Bittrex, and I got some settings. As you can see, I already put in some pairs in here to trade. I've kind of been trading all day. I set it up a little bit, and I put in some pairs just to see how it would go. So I've been trading, well, basically all day. The bot did its first trade about 8 hours ago. And since then, I've been adjusting the settings on each trade, trying to get a feel for what the bot will do, trying to get a feel for, how aggressive the bot will be, or how passive the bot will be, or how much profit I want to take. As you can see right here, like I said, I'm doing the Bollinger Band settings on buying and selling. Trying to get a minimum of 1.6% per trade. And I have a real low buy as far as the Bollinger Band at 25%, and high is at 60% to sell. And my buy levels at the delay, and so you can see I have some pairs out here, Ethereum and basic attention token, Ethereum and Bitcoin Cash, and those aren't really running right now because I haven't put any Ethereum in my Bittrex account yet. I don't normally hold Ethereum at all, so the only Ethereum I had was the little bit of Ethereum that I had left in my Bittrex account, which amounted to very little of nothing. It was like it's like the end of a trade or something, so it was very, very little. So I don't have much Ethereum. So my other trades are what are my Bitcoin trades, and as you can see, I have 10pay in Bitcoin, Neo in Bitcoin, Digibytes in Bitcoin, Ripple in Bitcoin, New Economy in Bitcoin, Safe Exchange. So I have quite a few pairs in here, and now I guess we'll go and see exactly let's see what the bot has been doing today. So we'll go to orders, and you'll see my completed orders, and I'm going to put more of that, so we'll get 50. And as you can see, the bot started, this is my first, okay, like you can see, this is my first trade today at 1:44 p.m., which is about 8 hours ago, and it was Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and as you can see, that one it bought, and then it bought Litecoin, and this is when I was still messing with the settings. So I'm actually still holding this Litecoin because Litecoin has been going down. So I'm still holding this Litecoin, but as you can see, it sold the Bitcoin Cash about 45 minutes later for 2%. That's when my settings were at 2% gain. So it sold at 2%, and then it bought again about an hour later, and then it sold again about an hour after that, and then it bought Bitcoin Cash again and sold it again, and then it bought Waves, and I don't know if we're still, I think we sold the Waves. The Waves got sold a little bit long. As you can see, this is when I really started adding, right about here is when I started adding more pairs, because I started playing with the settings and started adding more pairs. As you can see, it started buying in. We bought Waves, Stratus, Sia Coin, Safe Exchange. It bought Safe Exchange twice. 10pay, then it sold the Safe Exchange. It bought some Neo. It sold the Waves, bought the OMG, and then it bought Bitcoin Cash again. and bought Safe Exchange again. Sold the Neo and bought some Ripple. Then it sold that Bitcoin Cash, and then it bought Basic Attention Token, and then it started selling off. So as you can see, these are all the trades that I've done so far today. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So we if it's an odd number, we obviously have some that Litecoin we're still holding, so we're probably holding some other things too. So so in 8 hours, we've already done 27 trades, and we're trying to get at least like some of our settings are on 2%, some of our settings are on 1.6%. So we've been trading, and like initially, like I said, I had nothing in my Bittrex account because you guys know the August 1st thing just went by, and Bittrex wasn't really said they weren't going to really deal with Bitcoin Cash, so I had taken everything off except a little bit of junk, like a little bit of spare Ethereum I had. As you can see, we'll go to the wallets and you can see exactly what I'm holding now. I'm still holding the Safe Exchange. I have the Omisco in here, Tempeh, Ripple, Litecoin, and this is all that I had right here. This 0.0003276. That's all that I had in my account at that time. So as you can see, the last deposit I made for today was 0.6296 Bitcoin, and right now the value is 0.63263. So we've been earning a little Bitcoin a day already. In 8 hours, we've earned some Bitcoin already. So I feel like this bot will probably pay for itself within a month. It depends on how much Bitcoin I add to the bot and how I change the settings. But you can get the bot to be real aggressive or kind of real slow. It just depends on what you're comfortable with. And like right now, I don't want to put too much Bitcoin into this as I'm learning, because this is like my the first 8 hours with the bot, and it's been very, 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 very interesting. So that's about it with this bot. I'm gonna do my regular probably BitConnect video later on, or I might just attach it to the end of this. But like I said, if I do attach it to the end of this, you'll get a feeling, and it's like I've already got the feeling that the silliness behind the fact that people think that BitConnect does not have a bot. You can see other people have videos where their bots are, they're more experienced with their bot and they have better settings, and they were able to make a little bit more money. As you can see, the trades are very small because I have the settings to trade very small. Let me see. As you can see, right here, my max balance to trade is just 0.01 Bitcoin. So that's the max position I'll take on a coin. So it's not really going to be very aggressive. Eventually, as I get more comfortable, I'll increase that, and I might even put some more Bitcoin in there. But really, I want to see exactly what the bot can do when I get the settings on here and, adjust it, and, maybe look at it every day or so, like once or twice during the day. Look at the settings and adjust the settings and look at the market and figure out exactly what pairs to go into and see exactly how, to adjust it. Because right now I'm pretty much winging it. I'm going to look at some more forum posts on the bot and some more videos about the bot to see how other people are setting up their bots and their settings. But yeah, so far so good with the bot. I'm really liking the way it's going. So it's really given me a lot more confidence in BitConnect. Man, because it's just like I just know that when people are saying that 1% a day is too much, I'm like, yeah, I'm practically making 1.6% per trade on my, just on my trades already, and that's in 8 hours. Not really knowing what I'm doing, so I'll be a little bit more comfortable with BitConnect after seeing these videos. But like I said, tomorrow we're going to do another video tomorrow night on what the bot did during the day, and I will see you guys then. Peace.